Welcome to the next Hospitality Upgrades Tech Check-in and News Briefs for the week of July 29th, 2026. We're scouring the headlines to share significant announcements from around the industry to report to you. Remember, you can find these and other stories at our website at www.hospitalityupgrade.com. But first, some news from our industry partners this week. Ideas announced a new partnership with Greek organization Donkey Hotels and Resorts to oversee revenue management at 4 of its properties. Donkey Hotels operates a portfolio of premium hospitality properties in Athens and Santorini and will be implementing Ideas G3 RMS at these properties. Agilysys Inc., a leading global provider of hospitality software solutions and services, reported results for its fiscal 2027 first quarter ending June 30th, 2026, including total net revenue increased 14.3% to a record $87.7 million compared to total net revenue of $76.7 million in the comparable prior year period. Chief Financial Officer Dave Wood said, "We are pleased to be in a position after the first financial quarter to increase our full-year expectations as a result of execution successes seen thus far. The Agilysys teams continue to remain dedicated to executing at elevated levels to support our customers, resulting in continued profitable growth momentum in our business." Hotel Communication Network, one of the hospitality industry's leading providers of in-room guest engagement technology, and Artography Limited, a technology and licensing company built around a proprietary portfolio of more than 200,000 licensed visual and photographic artworks, announced a new partnership that will transform hotel guest rooms into interactive digital art galleries. Guests staying at participating 4- and 5-star hotels across the United States and Canada can browse, discover, and purchase from one of the world's largest privately held licensed art collections. Iris, one of the market leaders in digital ordering and guest experience solutions, has partnered with the Glasgow Marriott Hotel, one of Scotland's largest and busiest hotels, to boost its room service revenue by 24% year-on-year and fulfill demand for digital-first guest experiences. The deployment of Iris mobile ordering and digital guest directory solutions underscores the hotel's strategy to deliver a seamless guest experience, drive sales, and improve operational efficiency. Cybertech Global, a leading hospitality-focused managed IT and cybersecurity services provider, announced that it has been named a preferred partner of Sandestin Golf and Beach Resort, one of the most recognized resort destinations on Florida's Emerald Coast. According to Cybertech Global, the relationship is especially meaningful because Sandestin represents the type of high-caliber hospitality environment the company is designed to support: complex operations, elevated guest expectations, active event programming, and a constant need for reliable, secure technology behind the scenes. And earlier this month, Choice Hotels International appointed artificial intelligence leader Ali Keshavares to its board of directors. In a release, Choice Hotels says Ali brings a strong track record in data, analytics, and AI transformation and is expected to help drive growth, improve returns for hotel owners, and advance the company's AI strategy. Now for other headlines from across the industry. According to new GBTA forecasts, fuel shock keeps business travel prices elevated. Following a year marked by unprecedented energy market disruption and rising operational costs, global business travel prices are expected to remain elevated through the remainder of 2026 before beginning to moderate in 2027, with variations expected across regions. Pricing pressures are expected to ease gradually next year, but travel costs are unlikely to return to prior levels, as many of the forces driving higher prices have become long-term features of the industry rather than short-term disruptions. This is according to the new 2027 Global Business Travel Forecast, released on July 28th by the Global Business Travel Association and Altor, one of the world's largest travel management companies. Key findings in the report include: on average, global airfares forecast to reach $756, up 4.7%, and economy fares are projected to rise 8.7% to $536. Global hotel average daily rates ADR are expected to increase 3.7% in 2026 to $168, followed by a more moderate 1.8% increase in 2027 to $171. While demand remains robust, a record global hotel construction pipeline is helping contain rate growth. Regional variation remains significant for 2026, with Latin America at 9.5% expected to record the strongest hotel pricing growth as demand outpaces new hotel development. This is followed by APAC at 5%, which continues to benefit from strong demand recovery in key markets. EMEA at 0.6% remains the most stable hotel market in the forecast, driven by softer demand. The full report can be found at gbta.org as well as hospitalityupgrade.com. And last this week, the 2026 Q2 Canadian Hotel Construction Pipeline Trend Report from Lodging Econometrics reveals that at the close of the quarter, there are a record high 345 projects, 47,874 rooms in Canada's total pipeline, representing a 4% increase in projects and a 7% increase in rooms year over year. Projects in early planning also are up 8% by projects and 12% by rooms year over year. Projects scheduled to start construction in the next 12 months are up 3% by projects and 7% by rooms year over year. Thank you for listening to the Hospitality Upgrade Technology Headlines for July 2026. Remember to check in regularly to find these and other breaking technology stories at hospitalityupgrade.com.